Yes, it is indeed this time of the year. Um, every year since 2010, I have made a video on the Perseids Meteor Shower. The Perseids Meteor Shower, if you guys are unaware, the Perseids is considered the best meteor shower of the year because it's definitely not the strongest, but it is probably the best because it happens in the deep deep summer. It's deep into the summer, and the nights are nice and warm. Skies are nice and clear. It's a great meteor shower. I've been watching it every year since 2008, 2009, I believe, and it never ceases to amaze. It's really awesome. So if you've never seen the Perseids Meteor Shower, you need to get out there this year and go view it. So the best time to watch this meteor shower, I say, is between August 10th and August 16th. That's when the meteors will be, it'll be active throughout that time. The peak night, though, will be the night of the 12th, aka the early morning of the 13th. So that's when if you're wanting to go out on peak night, go out on the early morning of August 13th. But again, you have room in case your weather's bad or something like that. You have room because the shower is going to be nice and active throughout this time frame right here. You'll be able to see plenty of meteors throughout that time. Maximum meteors per hour, and that is definitely not miles per hour, on the peak night will be anywhere between 85 and 110 meteors per hour, depending on where you'll be at. If you're closer to city light pollution, you're going to see less. So the more, basically the rule you want to follow is the more stars you see, the more meteors you're going to see. So if you want to see the most meteors, you're going to want to find a dark place away from city lights. So make sure you're out of a city, in the dark, out in the country. That's where you're going to see the most. Also, okay, so the best time to view this meteor shower will be after midnight. So I'm going to type that down. Best time to view is after local midnight. However, you will still be able to see meteors. Yeah, you might be able to see a few meteors even in the evening time whenever it gets dark. Because, and I do like watching it at the evening as well, because then you might be able to see an earth grazer. An earth grazing meteor is a meteor that's very low in the sky, and it kind of skims the horizon, and it's really colorful, and it's really slow moving, and it lasts a long time, and they're really cool to see. Yes, I did rate the viewing quality this year as excellent, and that is because the moon this year will not be full. It'll be a waning crescent at the peak night, and it's not supposed to rise until closer to sunrise. So that means you're gonna be guaranteed to have dark skies this year. So this year's Perseids meteor shower is gonna be fantastic. The direction, meteors are going to be appearing to be coming all over the sky and stuff like that, but your general direction, your meteors are going to be kind of coming from the north, kind of towards the northeast. So keep that in mind. I would definitely face north. I always face northward for this meteor shower, and I see quite a few. You'll also be seeing other sporadic meteors from other directions as well, because those meteors, they happen every night. You'll just get a random sporadic meteor that goes around. So keep in mind, make sure face northward, but make sure you're seeing a bunch of the sky. The more sky, the better. The more you're going to see. Here's just kind of an image that I find online. This kind of shows you where the radiant of the meteor shower is. So here's the constellation Perseus. As you can see, the meteors tend to radiate from this point. There's also here online, I'm going to post a link in the description of this video. It's from earthsky.org. It has an excellent page on the meteor shower. It says all the information you need to know. It just shows, the radiant, where this meteor shower is coming from. It shows you the source of it, which comes from the debris laid behind from Comet Swift-Tuttle. It gives you all this cool information that you will need to know. It says, so as you can see right here, northeast after midnight. So yeah, you just read through this article and you'll get a very good sense of what you need to do for this meteor shower. That about does it. I mean, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will definitely answer any comments, any questions you may have about this meteor shower. It's a fantastic meteor shower. I know many of you have actually went and seen this. I've been very successful most years. Last year I had a little bit of cloud cover to deal with, but that's okay. But it's definitely a meteor shower you do not want to miss, because all the other major meteor showers tend to fall whenever it's nice and cold outside. So, alright, well, thank you for watching this video, and again, leave some comments behind if you have any questions about what this meteor shower is, stuff like that. Alright, thank you for watching this. Have a great night.